A camel and a leopard. Put the two together and you get camel.
Now, look closely everyone and make a note of how many animals you can see so that we can document the numbers. Chessington Conservation supports giraffes, funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of reserves.
Giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures in the world.
They can live up to 25 years old. They can grow as tall as 6 meters. That's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house. Yes, and their long legs help them run at 35 miles per hour. Wow, that's as fast as a truck. Their long necks enable them to reach the tops of the trees for their favourite snack, leaves.
They also sleep for no more than 5 minutes at a time.
They're just wonderful.
Which is why it's vital we continue our efforts to preserve this magnificent species. Around adventures, you might be able to see some antelope like blazing. These are plenty.
They were once one of the most abundant animals on the African plain, but they became an endangered species during the early colonisation of South Africa, when they were hunted for skin and meat. Thankfully, numbers have now since recovered and they are now deemed as least concern species.
They live for up to 17 years and both males and females have horns.
Though the female's horns are slightly more slender. The reserve is now home to a family of scimitar horned warriors. Their most distinguishing feature are their long, sickle-shaped horns. They curve backwards and on average reach a length of 40 inches. Up until a few years ago, they were listed as extinct in the wild, but now, thanks to successful reintroduction projects, they are endangered in the wild. But those that live here are part of an international breeding program to help re-establish
Oh, that's good news. Hopefully you'll soon be seeing some more magnificent beasts. The rhino around the reserve are white rhino. You may want to hold on to your noses for a bit here, researchers. Wherever you get rhino, you also get a lot of rhino dung. Yes, male rhinos mark out their territory as far as their dung.
The white rhino is one of 2 rhino species found in Africa and the second largest land mammal on Earth. Despite its name, the white rhino is not actually white at all. It skips ground.